for apple, apple is a fruit. B for basket, basket is full of fruits. C for cup, cup is used to drink coffee. D for duck, ducks loves to swim. E for elephant, elephants are huge. F for fairy, fairies have wings. G for grass, grass is green. H for house, house is for living. I for iron, iron is hot. J for jungle, jungle is full of animals. K for kite, kites love to fly. L for lemon, lemons are yellow. M for moon, moon is high. N for nest, nests are in trees. O for orange, oranges are in winters. P for pencil, pencil is used to write. Q for queen, queen loves her rabbit. R for rose, roses are beautiful. S for star, stars always shine. T for tomato, tomato is a vegetable. U for umbrella, umbrella is used in rainy days. V for van, van goes slowly. W for watch, watch shows time. X for x-ray, x-rays are colorless. Y for York, Yorks is an animal. Z for zip, zip can be open and closed.
हमारी हौसला अफजाई के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर लाजमी कर दें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।